In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a stunning photography website on Squarespace. This is a fantastic platform that empowers you to showcase your work beautifully and professionally. Let's dive in on how to get started and create a personalized feed space for your photography. First things first, you'll want to open Squarespace in your web browser. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But today we're focusing on the design process itself. Once you're logged in, hover over the Products option at the top of the page. From here, you'll want to click on Website Templates. This section is your primary resource for experimenting with the various layouts and styles available on Squarespace. When you find yourself on the Templates page, you'll see a diverse range of options designed to fit different needs. What you're looking for is something specific to photography. Luckily, Squarespace makes this selection process easy. You can actually filter the templates by choosing Photography from the menu. This will narrow down your choices to those best suited for displaying beautiful image galleries and portfolios. Once you've filtered the templates, take your time to browse through them. When you find a template that resonates with your style and vision for your photography website, go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see an option that says Start with this design. Clicking this button will create your website using the chosen template as a foundation. Now comes the exciting part, personalizing your template to make it truly yours. You'll want to click Edit, which gives you the freedom to add various features that enhance the site's functionality and look. Explore the options available. Perhaps you'll want to include a contact form, a blog, or maybe even scheduling capabilities for future bookings. To exhibit your photography work, click on Add Block. Here you'll have the chance to insert image blocks, which are vital components for your photography website. This feature allows you to upload your own files directly, each image bringing your unique vision to life. Feel free to explore other features and elements within Squarespace. It offers a vast array of customization options that can help you highlight your work in the most elegant and effective way possible. Remember, the goal is to craft a space that not only showcases your stunning photography, but also feels true to your brand and personal aesthetic. By selectively and thoughtfully customizing the template, you'll be able to create a photography site that not only draws visitors in, but also leaves a lasting impression. Enjoy the creative process and have fun turning your website into a beautiful portfolio that mirrors the artistry of your photography.